Hey guys, so I'm going to record you a quick video on how to use a VPN for free on basically any device or console. In this case, we're going to use an Xbox, a console. This works with PlayStation as well, 360, PS3, whatever, all of them. So you need a couple things. You need a computer, Windows 7 or later, so it could be 8, 10, 11, whatever. Um, your devices, so computer, laptop, your console, whatever. Throwaway email, at least in my case, I use a throwaway email. You don't have to. You could use your real email, but anyway. Um, you're going to use that email to make a ProtonVPN subscription, which is free. I'm not sponsored by ProtonVPN. I'm totally open to a partnership with ProtonVPN. Wink, wink. So yeah, if you guys want to sponsor me at some point, open to it. And the last thing you need an Ethernet cable. You can run Wi-Fi on the computer, like as far as to get internet, but to share it from your computer to the secondary device, we're going to be using Ethernet. So you do need an Ethernet. There is a way to do it with Wi-Fi. I'm just not going to show you how to do that today. If there's demand for it, I'll make a video. So to start, we want to find our way to our control panel. So I'll show you. So control panel. Okay, net your control panel. You want to hit the network and sharing center and your adapters. And then you'll see whatever adapters. So in my case, this is what comes into my computer. I've named them just to make things simple for me, just so I know which one's which. If you're on a laptop, you might be using Wi-Fi. In my case, I'm using all wired, so I name them just to simplicity's sake. So anyways, you're going to want to disable all of these. If some of them don't disable, that's fine. All right, so you click properties on here. You're going to want to go to the IPv4 properties and just make sure it clicks this on both. You don't want anything in these boxes. You want to do that for every single one of these. In this case, I only use these two, so I know I don't need to check the other ones. Okay, so I'm good. Don't need to change it. All right. Now, once we've done that, we need to restart our console to reset the network adapters. So you can do a hard reset. On the Xbox, I find the easiest and most guaranteed way to do this is just reset your MAC address. It will not delete anything off your console. All it does is like delete the network data. So you'll still have everything on your Xbox, no big deal. So we're gonna clear the MAC address, and wants to restart. We're gonna say yes. Just wait a second. All right, the Xbox is back on. So now we're gonna go back to our desktop. The Xbox shouldn't be connected to anything still because we haven't let it. So we're going to go to our desktop on the computer. Now we got ProtonVPN open. Default settings should work. You shouldn't have to change anything. If you do pay for a subscription, you'll get like higher speeds and stuff, but that's not the point of this video. This is just to show that you could do this. I've used free servers before in a pinch, and the speeds are fine. As long as you're using a server like in your country, it's not a big deal. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and connect this, and an adapter should appear. Oh yeah, that's right. I haven't turned on my adapters yet, so let's go ahead and turn on our adapters quickly. Once this is successful, Proton should have no issue connecting. There we go. Okay, so now we've got another adapter that Proton just created because it's successfully connected. Now we've got all of our other adapters. So at this point, if you haven't done it already, you're going to want to plug in your Ethernet cable from your PC or laptop to your console. Once you've done that, you should see this little identifying thing appear. The reason it's saying this is because it's not quite got a connection yet, but it can see it. So now you're going to want to right click on the Proton, go to Properties, go over to Sharing, check this top box, click the drop down box, find the adapter that you know for certain is connected to your console. If this takes you a couple tries, that's fine. Click OK. Okay, now we're going to jump back over to the Xbox. And there you go. Boom, back quick. Now we're online. And we're on a VPN. So if I go over to Edge right now, Okay, and as you can see, it's a VPN server. It worked. Alright guys, if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Sorry if this took a minute. Sorry if I kind of suck at explaining stuff. But yeah, I'd really appreciate if you guys could share the video if this helped you out. Anyways, peace.